Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction of the White House Beach Club. Now we are driving through the town of White House in Westmoreland, Jamaica. This town is on the border between Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. But as we leave the town and head towards the White House Beach Club, you're going to see that this is a very nice part of Jamaica. It has one of the nicest beaches. Sandal South Coast is actually built practically across the road from the White House Beach Club. Very nice complex, a very nice beach. And this area has a lot of villas and those kind of beachfront properties because of the beach out here. There's also further down the Bluefields Beach, where it's that one, not sure if it's still a public beach, but you can go there, and even if you have to pay a small fee to go in. Alright, so we're getting out of the town now. So as you know, construction is going on all over Jamaica. On the north coast, you have so many hotels being built, and the south coast doesn't really have as much hotel development, but this area we're going to now, the White House area, the White House Beach Club, very nice area. Alright, so we're driving out of the town now. So the units we're going to look at, they're all 3-bedroom units, and they start for 500,000 US. These are not apartments, these are townhouses. So on the left you can see the beach, and you can see a lot of development going on in this area. Because remember, with the popularity of Airbnb, it's so easy to rent these units. Alright, so to just give you a little background now, the White House Beach Club has 144 units, and there are 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom units, and they go for about 500,000 US. So what I was going to tell you about the resort now. This resort development is the idyllic community of White House on the scenic south coast. Is your personal slice of paradise. 144 units, each boasting a quarter-acre lot, with all lots having ocean view. Choose from 6 modern contemporary designs, each boasting 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus powder room, contained in 2,600 square feet of tastefully designed construction with trowel on exterior and impact resistant windows. Kitchens are quartz countertops with tile backsplash and oak cabinets. All units come with washer, dryer, refrigerator, stove, microwave, dishwasher, and solar water heater. Amenities include private beach park, beach on property gym, hard surface tennis courts, swimming pools, and restaurants. So, okay, this is the actual development now, and as you can see, the construction is far advanced. You can actually see the structures, and I'm not sure when the finish date is, but that doesn't really matter much, because they could tell you X date, and chances are it won't be finished by X date. But they're coming along, and we'll keep giving you guys updates on these units. And you notice that they come with washer, dryer, refrigerator, stove. Perfect for an Airbnb rental. Everything is there, just ready to go. And across the road from this development is the Caribbean Sea. It's the south coast, and literally Sandal South Coast is across the road. Very nice beach, I must say. And 144 units, that's a big development. Massive development, actually. but each unit is self-contained. It comes on a 1/4 acre lot, so you have a lot of space. So there you see the sign, White House Beach Club, and it's a gated community. There is a security gate that's up now. So we'll pass by here at least once a month, maybe even twice a month, every 2 weeks, and give you an update. And we will include drone footage the next time so you can see the beach that I'm talking about, literally across the road. And that's the gate straight ahead to the right. Now we're going to drive by and show you the entrance to Sandal South Coast. So everything on the left now is the beach. And that's actually the Sandal South Coast property on the left. But the main gate is coming up on the left. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And remember to check back as we'll give you updates on this project. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.